Hello, Prof. Welcome to this principle of data science group assignment 1. And we are group 7. Now, our topic is about the customer churn prediction. And now I'll pass to the next group member to get.
My name is Lim Chun Keat, and now I will conduct the introduction part. E-commerce has grown rapidly, especially since the pandemic, but with that growth comes the challenge of customer churn, where users leave after poor experience like bad delivery or product issue. In markets like India, return rate in fraction reach 25 to 40%, often due to the bracketing. Our project analyzed real e-commerce data to uncover churn patterns and help businesses act early to retain customers. The main issue we address is customer churn, a costly problem in e-commerce caused by poor delivery, service failure, or unsatisfactory product. Many platforms can't detect churn early, leading to higher costs and lost customers. Our project used data analysis to uncover early churn signal, helping businesses make smarter, proactive retention decisions. Our project has three main objectives: identify key features like age, gender, and purchase history linked to churn, explore how engagement factors such as satisfaction and complaint affect churn rates, and build a foundation for predictive model to support proactive data-driven retention strategy. This project focuses on the e-commerce domain, especially the customer relationship management and consumer analytics. Customer data drive personalization and engagement, but churn disrupt this cycle and impact relevance. To impact the revenue. By analyzing churn behavior, our project helped businesses take early action. This domain was chosen for its real-world relevance and potentially for data-driven impact. And now I'll pass to another member. Thank you.
So the second part of the study will focus on the literature analysis. So in this part, we will slightly introduce the general customer behavior analysis and then start digging down into the customer churn prediction. Lastly, we also discuss the machine learning models that have been used in our study. In the behavior analysis, we found out that there has been significant attention in the recent year. This is largely due to the fact that we have advanced technology that can gather the data from different data sources, which help the researcher to conduct the behavior analysis more easier. So in the following slide, I will show you three different methods that we gather the data sources. The first one is that they are using the e-commerce platform background data, the e-commerce platform named the Daras and also the Peekaboo, which is two platforms from Bangladesh. The second research, they have been using the survey to gather the information from the CEO of the small and medium-sized enterprises in Mexico. The last one, they are using the online questionnaire in Vietnam, so they gather the opinions of the university and college students. So with using all of this data, we can conduct a basic customer behavior study. But in our assignment, we are more digging down into the churn prediction. So next, I will pass to the next person for the churn prediction. Thank you.
My name is SHUXIAN, and I will be presenting the section on related work in churn prediction and the machine learning techniques used in customer churn modeling. Customer churn refers to the loss of clients or subscribers, and this is a major concern in industry like banking and e-commerce, and researchers use behavior data to predict this risk. We review research papers that apply various models to predict customer churn. Some use deep learning models like bidirectional long short-term memory and graph search with strong results. However, simple machine learning method also perform well when used effectively. 31 used a deep learning model and achieved 80.03% accuracy. 32 used a bidirectional long short-term memory network and improved the results to 99.22%. 33 applied graph search and got 96.58% accuracy using RFM and segment-based features. 34 used a decision tree and still achieved a solid 87%, proved the simple models can be effective. 35 compare several algorithms and find a random forest with feature selection by NCA has the highest accuracy of 99.68%. We further explore machine learning models that have shown strong potential in predicting customer churn, especially in e-commerce. Each model has different strengths and weaknesses. Logistic regression is efficient for linear relationship and easy to interpret. KNN requires no training and works for small data sets, but slows down with larger ones. SVM handles complex decision boundaries using kernel methods, but needs careful tuning. Here's a quick comparison. Logistic regression, fast and clear, but weak for nonlinear and multi-collinear data. KNN, flexible and training-free, but struggles in highly dimensional data. SVM, strong and nonlinear problems, but requires significant computing and parameter tuning. The chance depends on data size, complexity, and interpretability needs. Pass to next person.
Hi everyone, this is Wang speaking. I'll begin by introducing the methodology we applied in our project. For this project, we follow the OSEMN framework, which stands for obtain, scrub, explore, model, and interpret. Our focus was on the first three stages. First, in the obtain stage, we collected a public e-commerce churn dataset containing 5,630 customer records and 20 structured features, including device type, payment method, and app usage. In the graph stage, we address missing values using median imputation. The reason we use median instead of the mean is because the median is more robust to outliers. As you can see on slide, the left table shows the data from imputation and the right table shows the result after filling the missing values. Next, we dealt with outliers in dataset. Outliers were identified using Z-score method, which measures how far a data is from the mean. If a value was more than 3 standard deviations away from the mean, we considered it an outlier. These outliers were either kept or removed depending on the impact they had. We also used the box plots during exploration to visually identify extreme values. Finally, we standardized categorical variables. We converted word text values to lowercase, replaced spaces with unscores, and ensured similar values were merged. This ensures our data is cleaner and more suitable for machine learning models. That's the end of my part. Pass to the next person.
Hello, Doctor. I'm going to present about the explore process in this assignment. First, we start with the Churn overview and distributions. The overall Churn rate is 70%. The class is slightly imbalanced, but still acceptable. Next, we perform feature correlation analysis in this EDA process. The tenure, complaint, days since last order, and cashback amount show notable correlation with Churn. Complaint should serve as the most important earlier warning sign. Other than that, we also found out that coupon use is highly correlated with the order count. For the categorical data, we found the insight. The first insight is male and female customer have similar Churn rates. Therefore, gender is not a strong Churn indicator. The second insight is single customer are more likely to Churn than others. The third one is customer who prefer ordering mobile phone have a higher Churn count than other categories. The last one is customer preferring debit card and credit cards are more likely to Churn compared to other payment modes. For the numerical data, show us that negative correlation observed as the day since last order, tenure, and cashback amount increase, the Churn rates decrease materially. Complaints are most positively correlated with Churns. Therefore, we should closely monitor and respond to the complaining customer. Yeah, that's all for my part. I will pass to the next person. Thank you.
Thank you, Yeong San, and back to my part on the ethical consideration. The first consideration we got here is the data confidentiality. This is due to the fact that our data contains of the sensitive customer information, and to overcome this, we ensure that all personal information is being anonymized, and also all of the information will only strictly used for this project only. The second consideration we got here is the data integrity. So this is due to the fact that our data we only got one data set to train our model. This may lead to the bias prediction. And to solve this problem, we include the cross-validation in our studies. And in addition, we also examine the variance and bias of our models to avoid any overfitting and underfitting in this model. For our impact of the project to the society, we are confident that our study will enable the business to adopt the customer feedback, which will offer the more personalized and relevant study that can encourage people to shop digitally. In larger scale, we also believe that this will increase the business performance in the markets. Lastly, this is our reference list for these projects, and that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.